You looking at other people comparing numbers, comparing their followers to yours and wondering, my music is better.
I'm better. I am better.
Why is this nigga more up than me? Why is he getting all the attention and I'm not? Now, we've seen a couple artists go up really, really fast, off personality, off music, or off just controversy in itself. But in today's video, I'm about to be giving y'all the blueprint, the my player build instructions, man, on how to promote yourself as an underground artist in 2024. Situation's different depending on where you at. Relatively, you're almost doing the same thing. I know ain't no one really starting from 0 followers in SoundCloud. You probably got 30, your mom, your dad, some people from your school, and some Indian robots. The first thing I want you to do is focus on your SoundCloud. Driving traffic to your SoundCloud is your best bet. First, that should be the first thing you should be doing, because when the numbers looking right, people start, treating you right, start treating you a little nice, like maybe like 1K plays, 500 plays, 800 plays, stuff like that. Even though that might not be a lot in the grand scheme of things, but look at the ratio. You got 100 followers, not even that, like 60, 30 with 1,000 plays. That shows promise. Good rookie season stats might not be a lot comparing to these other people, but you're not supposed to be comparing your success to others. I know it's hard, we all do it, blah 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 blah, but look, these numbers compared to getting like 8, 9, 10 points a game rookie season, not terrible, but not completely the best either. But Klout only get like 200 plays on a song, like after a week. Like, what should I do? I don't know how many followers you got on IG, but I'm just expecting you a regular schmegular. You don't do anything. If I were you, I would always post your snippets and only your snippets on your story. Let these niggas know that shit out. Drive traffic to your SoundCloud. If you're gonna post the song link on your story, that like cuts your story views. Like if you post any kind of link on your story, I don't know if y'all noticed this. If I were you, I would just screen record the song and be like, y'all go get this now on my SoundCloud every day. Like not every day, don't spam motherfuckers, but like post on your story like, hey, it's out. So that if new people look at it, or the people who haven't checked it out, they hear one part that they might like, go listen to it. And while you're driving traffic doing that, you also gotta have trailers to get other people who don't follow you to see that exact snippet that you're trying to promote or get up there to get the 1,000, 2,000 plays. If y'all got a little change in your pocket, y'all want to run like a week ad, 3-day ad on your Instagram, I think y'all should. For people like me because I do be getting it. I be getting a lot of crazy stuff I like, some I don't like.
We got AKs, FNs if you want smoke. Do I want you or your friend? Bitch, I want both.
Yeah! Bitch, pass me the ox, cause my music hard. Big ass chopper with a beam, it's gonna leave a scar. Love being at Gigi house, cause she put cookies in a jar. In the stolo, 12 behind me, not gonna make it far. If I see my op, he not gonna make it far. The car starts stinking when I pick her up like, bitch, did you fart?
Maurice D, you're a bitch, nigga.
So that shit do kind of work. I be finding a lot of loads of new artists from the Instagram ads. So if I were y'all, I would tap in. Warning though, I think once you do buy Instagram ads, if you don't keep buying them, it does mess with your engagement. So, if you don't want to take that dive just yet, I would wait. You feel me? Or if you're desperate, I would just take that dive. But I don't know 100% if this is true or not. So don't take my word for it. And also, I would most definitely lock in on Twitter. Now, you can lock on TikTok, but for me, if you got the money for both, I would do both. But if you gotta pick one or the other to really focus your promotion on, TikTok is easier, but I feel like Twitter would reward you a little bit. I know a lot of people do be hating on Twitter, a lot of hating ass niggas.
You think it's not easy?
Should I be hating? But shit, if that hate brings in numbers and that shit goes somewhat viral, cough, cough, neat spin, and that's literally how he went up. I know that's like a once in a lifetime thing, but if it happens, it happens. Now, while you're getting your name out there, you're not done. If you're not posting on TikTok and you don't feel like doing all that right now, you can put that off to the side for right now. What I need you to do, SoundCloud repost. I know a lot of people say this method is dead. It's only because they buy 2 reposts and it's from big artists whose fans don't listen to the music that they make. Think of SoundCloud reposts as billboards. How many billboards when you driving around are you avidly staring at, right? You might see like 1 or 2 of them bitches, right? You might be like, oh, Mayor Coxville is voting for dick. I don't fucking know, but you understand my point. You'll see too. If you're driving or you just sitting there, you might look at 1 or 2, 3, 4. If you're in the passenger, you might look at 4 or 5 maybe. And that's because of phones. And billboards ain't there for show. They want you to go do something. Buy a ticket. Vote for this nigga. But how many times do you look at a billboard and be like, yeah, let me go do what they want me to do? It's very rare. Probably almost never. And you're supposed to be buying them in bulk. If you're trying to get a song up, find people who, if you buy in from one artist, go to their followers also listen to and see if those people also offer reposts. jourd these niggas if you think they trying to scam. So if you're promoting a song on Twitter and IG, like a promo, like the trailer, buy the repost for the song as well. That's going to drive more numbers to that SoundCloud song and maybe even blow it up. I seen a couple artists who are not botted. The likes match the listens, and I scroll through the who's listening and it don't say India and Cambodia. So this method is not dead. That shit got nerfed. You feel me? Like Ice Spice, but it ain't dead. Now use that same method I said for SoundCloud reposts for story reposts as well. Hey, people like me, people like Tub, he offers like a story repost and he'll put a poll and have his fans rate it. Most of the time, and they be calling most of them trash, but some of them, they be hard, you know what I'm saying? You could be one of the hard ones and we'll drive traffic to your account from that trailer. Like I said before, I'm giving y'all sauce, I'm putting y'all on, y'all, you know what I'm saying? Keep up. Cause we ain't done. This only get like 500 to like 2,000, 3,000 plays or listens on the song. We still starting out, y'all. I'm 6 minutes in, we still starting out. Like I'm giving y'all songs for free, nigga. For free. All right, now we skipped over TikTok because I know a lot of people just are 50-50 still on that app. That app is here to stay, most likely. And if y'all not using it, y'all just limiting yourselves. The method here, also paid. I mean, y'all can do it yourselves if y'all funny and can like edit a little bit on CapCut. But it's finding people, editors, like you'll see like edits to like random songs on TikToks and football edits, wrestling edits, any type of edits to songs on TikTok that go up because people just like the visuals and how and the song's fire. It's a +1, it's a +2 to that. Same thing with the memes. If you got the right song over a meme, that shit gonna blow up. I've seen a lot of different songs, sounds, and if you are finding the right people, like Stan Clicking, there's a lot of different TikTok pages. I'm not really sure for the edit pages. You would have to go search yourself. I'm telling you, if you find the right people, make a little group, hey man, you go up. Most def, you go up. Clout, I don't got no money. Oh, well, you ever grinded on 2K with no VC? Did y'all do the dark matter grind on Black Ops 3 without boosting? If you're not paid, hey, I'm extending this video. I originally was going to end it right here. I was going to be like, if you broke, you're not going to make it. But look, we going to make sure you make it. I'm not going to do y'all like that. I'm going to give y'all pointers, tips on what to do. And if the shit get patched, because everyone's doing it and oversaturated, I'm going to give y'all more sauce. Now, if you don't got no money on, it is not fun, young, but you got to grind. The main point in the unpaid version of this is building a community. How do you build a community? You find key pieces, people who are at the same spot as you. That means prods, and lock the fuck in. You can do this, you know, in the paid version as well, but if it's unpaid, you gotta go hard and basically make your own sound or something fresh with the prod. You and the prod need to be going up together, and the little pieces that you have around you, friends, family, you gotta use anything you can as promotion, because you can't pay nobody. And even if some of your friends might be like, nigga, pay me to be in the vid, but your best bet is to be creative, come up with weird ways or funny ways or just dumb ways of promoting yourself for free. Like I said, you can make your own memes easy, but if you're not that creative and not that funny, that's going to be hard. If your little brother's a skibbity toilet kid or whatever, the skibbity, whatever they, or a Rizzler, you better put him in the TikTok sweatshop and make him use your song, nigga. There's many things you can do. There's many things I've seen. You gotta use the pieces that are around you, and if you really want it that bad, you will get it. You know what I'm saying? And also, I just gotta say this: if you send me your song and your shit got AI, like a obviously AI cover, and the shit looks buns, like it's like 280p, it's not for aesthetic purposes, the shit just 280p, I hope no one clicks on that shit. I understand like paying money for cover art is not, you know what I'm saying, a big thing, but nigga, that shit matter. Indubitably, I don't even think that's the right word. But yeah, my name's SOUNDCLOUD. I love y'all, and let me know if y'all done any of these things, or if come back if any of these things are not working. I will help you. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's what I'm here for. I think. I don't know what I'm here for. I haven't read the Bible in a long time. God has not gave me an answer. But I think this is what I'm here for, to help y'all out. Now, I will be dropping another video elaborating who to cop from or who to look at for promo and stuff like that. I'm probably gonna call it How to Blow Up in the Underground 2024 as an artist. And, you know, I gave y'all free sauce today. The least y'all can do is go like my most recent fic. And niggas was clowning my fit pic. They said, why you put on them big ass me horrors? But them shit's fire. I was trying to look like Sora from Kingdom Hearts. Yeah, follow me on Twitch. I be streaming on there now. I sometimes go live here. I might start going live here for like Song Wars and stuff like that. But yeah, I love y'all and I'm out this bitch.